Found the perfect parking spot, but no room to step out? With the Tata Sierra.ev and the remote park assist, tight spaces are no longer a problem. Activate APA using the dedicated APA button on the command center located on the right-hand side. Infotainment screen, widget, or app launcher. Before activation, Sierra.ev verifies essential operating conditions. Doors closed, ORVMs unfolded, seat belts fastened, driver mode selected, and vehicle speed below 15 km per hour. Select your preferred parking slot directly from the display. Now choose Remote Park, shift to Park. Remote Park Assist helps you park effortlessly even from outside the vehicle. Press and hold the parking button on the key fob to begin the maneuver. Sierra.ev precisely guides itself into position. Simply release the button at any time to safely pause the operation. For added safety, Remote Park Assist continuously monitors its surroundings. If an obstacle is detected or a required condition is not met, the system pauses automatically. If the maneuver is not resumed within 30 seconds, Sierra.ev automatically cancels the process to ensure a safe and controlled experience. Once parking is complete, the electronic parking brake engages automatically. Remote Park Assist gives you seamless control in both perpendicular and parallel parking situations.
Tata.tv